Hello everyone, this is Dr. Song. Welcome to my YouTube video. Today, I'd like to start my first lesson of conversational French. This course is for those who want to make a conversation with others quite fluently. So, mainly developing listening skill will be focused. So, how it's working in this course? First, I will show you the one image, and then that is a context where a dialogue starts. And then I will not show you the dialogue as letters, and you will just try to listen twice, and then I will show you what is written. And then the third one, I will not show the what is written, and then you will try to listen to the what you can understand, and then that will be the like a cycle. So totally, I will tell you 3 times, and then once you will try to listen to the text by yourself without the text. So let's anyway start. This is my first time, so I don't know exactly how I can guide you, but I think the start is important. So let's start. Avez-vous une voiture? Non, c'est pas grave. Ma voiture se trouve là-bas. Elle se trouve à côté de ce bâtiment. Prenons ma voiture. So I will read I mean once more. Le parking. Avez-vous une voiture? Non, c'est pas grave. Ma voiture se trouve là-bas. Elle se trouve à côté de ce bâtiment. Prenons ma voiture. Now I will show you what is written. So this is what I read, and then maybe you understood some words, and then maybe you could not really figure out what word was. So this is the text. So I didn't say in the beginning, this course I start as a conversational French will be for beginners. So it's a more like a A1, A2 level. So if you are A1, A2 level, I think this course will be a very proper. But if you are more advanced level, maybe you will find it not very easy. But anyway, it's up to you. If you want to start from the very beginner level, anyway, you will benefit from this. So you see the avez-vous une voiture. So in general, the French they don't use this form too much. I hear more like est-ce que vous avez une voiture or vous avez une voiture even. Avez-vous une voiture? That is very literal. So you can maybe expect people say that est-ce que vous avez une voiture or vous avez une voiture? Non, I don't have. Okay. C'est pas grave. So this one is very often used by French people. But normally there should be a ce n'est pas grave. Ce n'est pas grave. But very rare you hear like that. They don't use the ne. That is a negation, one part of negation. So with the ne and then the pas, that is together, then make the like a negative meaning. But in general, we don't use this ne very well. So you can say that just the c'est pas grave. So that is means that that is not a problem, no problem. Ma voiture se trouve là-bas. Yeah, so you need the one here, the hyphen. So my car is there. So the French, they use this expression se trouver. That means that in English is a to be. So my car is there. Là-bas is there. So instead of saying that the to be, that will be the être, but they don't use the être. They use the se trouve. Yeah, so you will know that this expression. If you don't know this expression, it's difficult to understand what is the meaning. So my car is there. Ma voiture se trouve là-bas. Elle se trouve à côté de ce bâtiment. So elle is that means that my car. So you know that in French you used to distinguish between the male and the female. Like you know that there is a like a female noun. So pronoun. There is a pronoun. So you have to think that is elle. So that refers to my car. Yeah, car is a female. Elle se trouve. So my car is à côté. Yeah, that is like a beside or next to de ce bâtiment. Bâtiment is a building. So my car is next to this building. Prenons ma voiture. That means that let's take my car. Okay. So that is the meaning of this text. Let's do one more. So the next situation is in the airport. Okay, now you will try to listen to what I say without the text, and then I will read it twice. L'avion et l'aéroport. Qu'est-ce que tu regardes? Je regarde le ciel. Dans le ciel, il y a un avion. Cet avion va à Séoul. Il va arriver demain à la destination. Un avion atterrit. Il est 1 heure de l'après-midi. Beaucoup de gens attendent à l'aéroport. Tu sais comment on peut aller au centre-ville de l'aéroport? On peut prendre la navette. Okay? So this is once I try and then the twice. L'avion, l'aéroport. Qu'est-ce que tu regardes? Je regarde le ciel. Dans le ciel, il y a un avion. Cet avion va à Séoul. Il va arriver demain à la destination. Wow, un avion atterrit. Il est 1 heure de l'après-midi. Beaucoup de gens attendent à l'aéroport. Tu sais comment on peut aller au centre-ville de l'aéroport? On peut prendre la navette. Okay. Now I will show you what was the text. So that was l'avion is like a airplane, a flight airplane. This is airport. Aéroport. Aéroport. Qu'est-ce que tu regardes? So that means that what are you looking at? What are you like watching or looking at? Regard. That means that you can use this verb for television. So you watch. Yeah, it's more was like a watch, but also look at something. Qu'est-ce que tu regardes? Je regarde le ciel. Ciel is the sky. I look at the sky or I watch the sky. Dans le ciel, il y a un avion. So in the sky, there is one airplane. Yeah, an avion. So il y a, that means that there is. In English, it's there is. And then dans le ciel, that is in the sky. Yeah, there is one airplane. Cet avion, so this airplane, va à Seoul. This airplane goes to Seoul. So va, that is a conjugated form with aller, to go. And then à Seoul, yeah, to Seoul. Il va arriver demain à la destination. So arrive, that is arrive, yeah. So the avion, that is a masculine word. So you will say the il. Il va arriver demain à la destination. Yeah, it will arrive in the destination tomorrow. Demain is tomorrow. And then un avion atterrit. Atterrir. Atterrir means that is the one airplane take off and then arrive. Yeah, so that is arrive. Yeah, when one airplane that arrives on the ground, they say the atterrir. So un avion atterrit. Il est 1 heure de l'après-midi. So it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon, 1 p.m. That is that. 1 heure de l'après-midi is 1 p.m. Beaucoup de gens attendent l'aéroport. So a lot of people, beaucoup de gens, that means that a lot of people attendent. That is attendre. That is an infinitive. Attendre is the third person plural. So conjugation is the third person plural. Attendre à l'aéroport. Many people they are waiting in the airport. And then tu sais comment on peut aller au centre-ville de l'aéroport? So tu sais, that is like comment, how. On peut aller. On means that it's a third person. There is no specific person. It is general. In general, you can say the on. That can be also we. In general, people, how they, comment is a how. How they can go to the center. I mean, the center of the city. Center of the city. From the airport. From the airport, how they can go to the center of the city. This is asking about the way to go to the center of the city. On peut prendre la navette. Prendre means that is to take or to hold or to have. There are many different meanings, but in this case, it's like a take. So on peut, that means that we can take la navette is a shuttle. That is a shuttle. So we can take a shoto. That means that. Okay. Now I will show you just the image and then you will try to listen to what I explained. L'avion et l'aéroport. Qu'est-ce que tu regardes? Je regarde le ciel. Il y a un avion. Cet avion va à Séoul. Il va arriver demain à la destination. Un avion atterrit. Il est 1 heure de l'après-midi. Beaucoup de gens attendent à l'aéroport. Tu sais comment on peut aller au centre-ville de l'aéroport? On peut prendre la navette. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show you as the first lesson today. And then from the next lesson, I will think about what can be the best way to improve your listening skill. So thank you for listening to this video. And then I hope I can see you next time.